Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make currency conversion in PayPal using PC. So if you want to make currency conversion on your PayPal account using your PC, here's how you can get it done. The first thing you have to do is log on to your PayPal account on your browser. Once you do that, tap in your password, tap in your email and your password. Once you do that, after you click login, then click on wallet in the top menu or the sidebar. Then select or add a currency. Now locate your PayPal balance and click on the currency you want to convert from. If you don't see the desired currency, click on add a currency. Then once you add the currency, choose the one you need and save it. Once you do that, now click on currency converter. Once you click on currency converter, enter the amount you want to convert and choose the currency you want to convert to. Review and confirm your process. Once you do that, PayPal will also add a small fee as the exchange rate or the converting rate. Once you do that, finalize it and submit. Then you can go back to your balance and verify your balance for the converting account. The converting account, it will appear, your balance will appear in the converting account, and that's it. If you find the video helpful, like and